This is a guide video for replacing the e-bike controller. Loosen the screws of the controller box. Remove the cover and get out the controller. Unplug the connectors. Cut the motor wire tie and unplug it. Thread the motor wire out of the hole and remove the controller. Get a new one for replacement. Pass the motor wire through the hole. Connect the largest interface for display. Plug in the red, green, black 3-wire connector with the brown, gray, black wire, and then the red, blue, black wires. There are 3 same 2-wire connectors. You can check the front light wire by pulling it. Serial connection to display wire. Plug in the yellow and black wire connectors for the brake. Connect the power cord at last. The yellow and orange connector is for tail light. If the e-bike does not have a tail light, this connector will not be used. Put the controller into the box. Align the arrows on both sides and connect the motor wire. Switch on and check the display and motor. Fix the cover with screws. Bundle the motor wire. The replacement is completed.